The Manipur High Court today organized a blood donation scheme at Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences, JNIMS Hospital. Manipur High Court Justice Ahanthem Bimol Singh, Justice Aribam Guneshwar Sama, Justice Golmai Gaifun Silu and senior advocates of Daba, along with other judicial officials and members of law faculty, participated in the blood donation camp, with 35 blood donors taking part in the camp. Speaking during the donation camp, Justice Ahanthem Bimol expressed that amidst the ongoing crisis, the state has seen a surge in the number of dengue cases where platelets are required for treatment and transfusions, and as a support, today's blood donation camp has been organized. He added that since the blood unit intake capacity of JNIMS hospitals is 30 to 40 units, staff of the Manipur High Court shall continue to donate blood on a periodic basis, and also added that similar blood donations program will also be conducted at RIMS Hospital.
Manipur dengue na yamna paksana narakpa mi mayam si masing hikalakpa sida koi platelet count si masal sida masigi ana basile rate to pasida isa koi blood transfusion haibadi platelet si yamna koi madu magi life to save to na badarka we ura pasina koi some aina taza bada patient bada kayum kan unit manga adu not less than 1 or 2 sangi madu kayong na wakrati madu ki replacement si piba ngamdawa madu ki difficulty amarom dana ikoi ki hospital blood bank sing sida is madu ki demand ru piba si awa thengapa adu se king si jumba mayam si aina personally khara thengnajaru matam sida isa aikoi su koi ki judicial fraternity dagi koi ki judicial officer sing judge sing koi ki advocate sing staff sing nasu koi na kitang blood donate kitang tawragadi khara makhaidi koi na mayam di public ki awawa patient ki awawa se bating bangadi phagni aidana khanjadana koi ngasi pangthok sabani